Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here on my channel, so if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be diving into the test tube subscription box. Now this is all presented by New Beauty and it is a quarterly subscription, so I have in with me the fall 2024 box. Now, as far as subscription boxes go, this is one of the boxes that is consistently good for providing the best skincare products out there. So whenever somebody emails me or shoots me a message and says, hey, what are the best skincare boxes that you recommend? This is always in my top 3. So I highly recommend this one because they are consistent. I also feel like you receive the value there for your money spent, but I also kind of like that it is a quarterly subscription, so it gives you a chance to use those products. So if you are interested in this subscription, I have a link listed down below. I don't have a coupon code, but I do have a referral link, and that link is supposed to give you a $15 discount when you sign up through the link. But you guys, I have also found a whole bunch of technicalities with it. So in order to use the link, it works best if you do it on a desktop computer, because then a pop-up will show up with a coupon code that will allow you to apply that at checkout. But then that code will only apply if you enter your email address in when you are checking out. So it's just there's all these little tricks to make it work. So I have it posted down below and I included my instructions. So if you have issues, just let me know, but it's supposed to work. Your first official item inside of the box will be the New Beauty magazine. Now this is a quarterly magazine, so they do include it in with your subscription every quarter. This one is really good. I love their beauty magazines. They have a lot of reviews on products, on what works, what doesn't work, things like that. So I do enjoy it, but like I said, this is included in your box. Okay, I gotta show you guys. This is what it looks like when you open up your box. This is only $59 a quarter and there's free shipping. So I feel like there's a lot of products in here for that price point, and they're full-size products, which is even better. So first item we're gonna start with is Neostrata. I just kind of did a quick sweep over the box and I was like, that one, that's a good brand. We're gonna start with that. So this is a vitamin C product. It is designed to be a serum or a concentrate, and it will help to brighten up your skin. So if you suffer from dull looking skin, that sounds so mean, you guys. I don't want to say you're dull, I don't know, but if your skin is not as bright as you would like it to be, this is something that would help with that. But believe me, you guys are not dull. I don't think anybody's dull. So this is your full-size box. And it says there are 30 capsules in here. It's designed to fight against dark spots and uneven tone. So what you will do is you're going to twist open the capsule and squeeze it into your palm. And then you're gonna smooth this onto your skin and then put moisturizer over top of that. The moisturizer will help to lock it all in place. So make sure you've already cleansed in your treatment process. Do your exfoliation in there, you've done your toner, and then you're gonna follow up with that serum and then moisturizer afterwards. So this is what your box itself will look like here. This one says it is a pure concentrated form of vitamin C. So I would imagine the brand alone is expensive, but to have a pure concentrated form is probably a little bit more expensive as well. So it is a glass jar. You can kind of see those capsules inside of this here. And then, like it said, you're just gonna break one of these open, rub it onto your hands, and then you'll apply that onto your face. You guys, I am so biased. I look at a brand name and I'm like, that's expensive. Again, we need to open that one next. So this one is from Obagi. And I'm just telling you guys, if you ever find Obagi in a subscription box, you just know it's already an expensive product because this brand is bougie. So this is the Obagi 360 Retinol Cream. We have a full-size product here, so it's 1 ounce or 28 grams. This is a gradually releasing retinol product. It says that this one is going to refine your skin's texture and complexion, giving you smoother looking skin. You want to apply it once a day, and they recommend in the evening. You want a pearl-sized amount, and you're going to rub this onto your face until fully absorbed. And then it is a time-released product for the next 24 hours. Now, retinol is a very strong ingredient, so I can see why they said to use just a pearl-sized amount. You don't need a lot of this. If you use this like a regular lotion and you just rub it all over the place, it's going to be way too much product for you. And that is why, even though it's full size, it's only an ounce, because you don't need a lot of this. Oh my, you guys, this just paid for the box. So I had a feeling it did, but it mentions right on here, this is a $75 product. The entire box costs $59 for it. So if you buy this subscription, one product is already going to pay for it. Next item that we have in here is from Euphoria. This is a really great hair care company. So this is called their Dry Shine Spray. So I'm assuming this is like a dry shampoo that we have here. So it is an aerosol can, and it mentions that this will give you a high gloss shine on a finished product. Oh, okay. So you're actually going to apply this after you get done styling your hair the way you want it to. Then you'll do a spritz over it, and it's going to actually add shine back. So not a dry shampoo. It says it will protect your hair against damage caused by free radicals as well, which I've never understood what that means. Does that just mean environmental? I don't know what these free radicals are that are attacking my hair. Ooh, okay. This next item, you guys, it's small, but don't let that fool you. It's expensive. This is from Gloss Modern. It is their Clean Luxury Perfume Oil, 15 ml or half an ounce. Now, it looks really small, and you're thinking, oh, that's just got to be travel or sample. It's not. It is a full-size product. So this is our full-size perfume oil. It is a cruelty-free brand. I'll go ahead and pull this out and show you guys what it looks like. I have tried this from Ipsy, believe it or not. And every time I get it, I'm like, this doesn't seem like it's a really big size, but this is just how they make it. So this is called Soleil. It is a rollerball perfume that we have. Oh, there's coconut in here. This is sunny and tropical. I was not expecting that at all. It smells really good, you guys. Like, it smells like there's sea salt in there. It smells exactly what you would want in a summer box, but this is a fall box. So that's kind of strange. Like, now that I'm thinking about it, it's like, this is not, I would have expected more of like amber or bergamot or something like that, but I get coconut and sea salt and like ocean vibes. So it's not a bad scent. It just seems odd that it's in this particular box. Now, in terms of retail value, it retails for $87. So again, this one little perfume just paid for the whole box. Next up, we have this fun bottle here from Lilicious. I think that's the brand name on here. We've had this brand. Oh, I remember. Was this in their New Beauty also makes their award-winning box or their VIP boxes? I think I had this cream. It's a moisturizing body cream in that box. So this is a sugar coconut scent. It is a whipped sugar scrub and a hydrating body butter. So there are two products inside of this bundle, and these are the two products that they feature, but they're both going to be the same scent. And that way you can do your sugar scrub and exfoliate and then follow up with the body moisturizer afterwards. Now, their products are very hydrating. Like I said, I have tried it before. Loved the way it felt. I also loved the way my skin smelled. It did a great job of smelling wonderful all day long. It was hydrating. It was soft. But again, I think it's so weird that we're getting this sugar coconut duo. I mean, like, this is giving me such summer vibes. The palm trees, the beach. So don't get me wrong. Love the product. Glad it's in here because I will use it. It just seems odd. Now, this is travel sized because they are each 2 ounces, and I'm pretty sure it was like an 8-ounce jar that I had before. So this is not a full-size product. It is only 2 ounces a piece. But if you wanted to purchase this bundle, it retails for $28 on the website. Next item that we have is from JVN. This is the Nourishing Shine Drops. So I think this is a hair care product. Yes, it says that it will be applied to dry hair. This is a silicone-free oil. Love that. It will be a silky oil that will add gloss without adding any weight to your hair. So it will give you, again, this kind of bright shine back to your hair. So it's a full-size product, 1.7 ounces. We also have a product from Versed inside of our box. It's called the Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. This features AHAs and BHAs and also pineapple enzymes. Oh, this is definitely going to break down texture. So pineapple is a great natural exfoliant on its own. And then when you add in these AHAs and BHAs, it will break down any texture that you might have, dry skin, bumps, things like that. So this is your full-size product. It mentions you want to make sure your skin is clean first before applying it, and then you'll put an even layer over top and then rinse it off after 2 to 3 minutes. Just because, again, this is a mask. It's not permanent. It's just going to sit there for a little while. We also have a hydrating hair mask in the box. This is designed for all hair types and textures. It's from a brand called Bond Bar, and it says that 90% of people noticed better hair after 1 use. So this must be a really strong treatment is all I can figure. But it will repair your hair, protect it, and give it hydration. It is paraben-free and cruelty-free as well. It will also add volume to your hair and smooth it out so you'll have less tangles afterwards as well. So it is a full-size product at 4 ounces. There's definitely a lot more hair care in this than usual. I've always seen Test Tube as a skincare box. So it never shocks me that we don't have makeup because I'm just like, yeah, this is a skincare box. It is hair care heavy though this season. There is still skincare in here, but definitely more hair care than what I'm used to. The next item that I have is from Manicadar. This is their Hydrating Facial Mist. Full-size bottle here. This facial mist will feature sea minerals inside of it, and it will help to give you hydration and a pick-me-up throughout the day. So this one does feature aloe inside of it. There's also going to be jasmine flower, witch hazel. There is flower extracts. So all great natural ingredients. It is a cruelty-free brand as well. So you can spritz this on, and that way you will have a hydrating pick-me-up. And last up for today, we have a Jade roller from Daily Concepts. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of tired of getting these. I feel like, of course, I know I'm an exception. Like, I have subscription boxes coming in all the time just because that's what I do here on the channel. But I feel like the rollers have been in a lot of boxes that everybody has one of these. It's always some sort of a facial roller. So this one is the Jade roller. It mentions it's made with real jade. It is a cruelty-free product. I do think these are great at applying your serums and really working it in. It also can be a great facial experience, like a massage. It's just, they don't go bad. So once you have one, you have multiples already. Do you know what I mean? So I do feel like I've had a lot of these, but maybe that's just me too, you guys. Oh, well, you know what it does say in here? It is supposed to rid thoughts of negativity and is alleged to bring good luck. So you know what? Maybe I need more of these. So I'm not going to complain. You know what? Keep bringing these. So that is everything inside of my Test Tube subscription for fall 2024. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. I do have a few thoughts about this box. So first off, one item pays for this box, and it's more than one item that will do that. So in terms of value, I definitely feel like I made back my money and then some on this box. I also happen to love that there are 10 products in this box. So again, for $59 a quarter, getting 10 products is awesome. And technically, if you sign up for an annual subscription, it does work out to be a cheaper price point per box. They will give you a bit of a discount on that. So I do feel like 10 products is a lot, especially when other subscription boxes out there typically will give you 6. Like FabFitFun gives you 6 products a quarter. So I do like that this gives you a lot of products. Now, the only things that I think are cons with this box is it does still feel very summery. Like the scents are very coconut themed and they're good. It's just not what I would expect for a fall box. I mean, where's the pumpkin at? You know what I mean? Like I would have thought we would have gotten more of those warmer amber bergamot scents or even a few spiced scents in there as well. So I do think that's a little strange, but I don't think this is a bad box. I just think it seems not like a fall box. Do you know what I mean? Like there's not really any fall inspo put into this. Now, having said that, I still think it's a great box. I still think it's worth your money. I think it's a great recommendation still, so I am still going to be recommending this box. So if you are interested in purchasing, like I said, I have a link listed down below. This box is currently shipping, so as long as you sign up in the fall season, you will receive the exact same box that I just showed you today. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. Oh, before I end this, don't forget to like this video, you guys. I am working on trying to get my likes up. So if you could hit that like button down below on this video, I'd greatly appreciate that. Now I'll let you go. So until next time, you guys, have a good day. I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, guys.